Two speakers separated by a distance of 2 meters are placed a distance of 5 meters from a wall. The speakers are generating a sound with a frequency of 1,500 hertz. What is the wavelength of the sound? When we're answering this, we'll apply the wave equation. And there's a lot of extra information in this. The only things that we need to know are the frequency and the speed of sound, because it's known that the velocity is the wavelength times the frequency. So if we know both the velocity and the frequency, we'll solve for the wavelength. That wavelength being the velocity divided by the frequency, which is 340 meters per second divided by that frequency, 1,500 hertz. Oh, which by the way has units of 1/seconds. And it's interesting, if we do meters per second divided by 1/seconds, we'll end up with, let's just show that, meters per second times the reciprocal of that, seconds over 1. Oh, we end up with meters. So wavelengths are measured in meters. And 340 divided by 1,500, 1,500, is going to be a fraction of a meter. When we finally compute that, excuse me, that wavelength is 0.23 meters.